This episode of Cooking with Josephus is brought to you by Super Bowel Prep Kit.
Is y'all planning a colonoscopy, a colonoscopy, a colonoscopy, a colonoscopy, a colonoscopy soon? If so, insist that your doctor prescribe you the Super Bowel Prep Kit. The Super Bowel Prep Kit is like a parent telling your digestive system, go outside and play, but then moving it out in a fit of rage.
Super Bowel Prep Kit comes with just 3 simple-to-follow instructions. Pour Super Bowel Prep Kit into a clean container. Ingest every drop. Now run to the bathroom. Run. Run. All of the side effects of Josephus's undercooked chicken without the annoying flavor. It leaves your digestive tract clean as a whistle.
Hey man, I found my whistle! Ew.
Insist your doctor prescribe Super Bowel Prep Kit prior to your colonoscopy. Also recommended for alien abductions. Warning, do not take Super Bowel Prep Kit if pregnant or nursing. Consult your physician before coughing, sneezing, yawning, stretching, lifting heavy objects, taking a deep breath, daydreaming, or attending a surprise party. Do not operate heavy machinery, wear a belt, or wander while taking Super Bowel Prep Kit. Side effects may include dehydration, feelings of dizziness, lightheadedness, sweating and other watery secretions, defecating, seeing spots, causing spots, freckling your shorts, permanent staining of fabric, making pudding, poop trails, blowing mud, cutting rope, dropping the kids off at the pool, building a log home, releasing a payload, growing a tail, tossing potatoes into the crockpot, firing torpedoes, offloading freight, drizzling shits, painting the bowl, heating up double fudge brownies, dropping some bombs, mudslides, making a call on the big white phone.